Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a product catalog on Facebook. First, go to facebook.com/commerce manager. Log into your account. Once you are inside, you will see all your catalogs if you have created any before. If you have not created one yet, you will see nothing on this page. Now click on the plus icon to create a new catalog. A confirmation window will appear asking if you are sure you want to create a new catalog. Click Continue. Next, you need to select the catalog type. You can choose options like online products or travel. Choose the one that matches your business. After that, make sure you have a business portfolio created. If you have not created one before, you need to set that up first before continuing. Then select the business portfolio where you want this catalog to be created. You will also have the option to connect a partner platform such as Shopify. If you are using Shopify, you can connect it here. If not, you can skip this step. Now enter a name for your catalog and click Continue. Next, connect event tracking. Select the Metapixel or App SDK that you want to use to track how people interact with your products on your website or app. This step is important for tracking and ads. After that, you need to upload your products. You can add products manually, or you can upload a spreadsheet or file to update products automatically. If you choose to add products manually, you will need to enter the following information: images or videos, title, description, link, price, condition, availability, and status. Once you complete these steps, your catalog will be created and you will see an overview page. Thanks for watching.